Hey guys, welcome. For today's video, I think that why am I full face right now? As you can see, I just uploaded my first impression, like not first impression, but like trying new products. That's why I have this makeup on. Anyway, okay, so for today's video, I will, as you can see in the title, I will unbox my iPhone, but not really. Well, okay, I got this last Thursday. Wait, last Thursday? No, Monday. I got this on Monday, and I was filming a unboxing on this video, but I'm just like I really don't like how I really don't like the video while I was already watching it. So I'm just like, you know what? Like, let me just kind of like refilm it or whatever. So anyway, so I got the iPhone XX Max, and I think I got the 500 something, 512. Yeah. So anyway, I got this in the mail. I got this in the actual Apple website. So anyway, I also got the space gray. So there she is. I'm not gonna do like the whole thing. So right here, and as you can see, this is designed by Apple in California, and I didn't still use the thing. So I can film this video. So anyway, it comes with this earpods, not earpods, but like earphone. So like that, and then as usual, the charger and the cord. Yeah, so that is it for this like box. And I feel, how much did I pay for this? Like one something. I will put put it in the screen because I forgot about it. So anyway, that is it. And I got the not the shade, but I got the color space gray. So yeah, so I forgot. I'm gonna show you what's inside. So this one right here comes with this little pin, so you can insert the your SIM, and then as usual, the stickers, and like it's kind of like hello, like the face ID. I already read this thing. So anyway, let's move on with the phone. So right here, this is the phone. It's super glass, and this is the space gray. So I'm gonna show you the difference between my iPhone 6s Plus. It's charging right now, so hold on, I'm gonna get it. Hey guys, so yeah, I just grabbed my old phone. This is the this is the iPhone 6s Plus, and as you can see, she is very tortured because I um keep this phone for like quite, I think this is two and a half years old or 2 years old. I don't know, it's been a long time. So this is in a shade, not in a shade, but this is rose gold. So this one I will be giving to my sister. So I'm just gonna put it right here. So okay, the comparison. So this is my iPhone 6s Plus, and this is the 10s 10 this is okay, iPhone XS Max. So okay, the comparison right there, it's pretty much the same, you guys. It's pretty much the same, but the camera, it's kind of like right there, and then the camera, as you can see, it's the difference. This is pretty much glass, and yeah, the logo of the Apple, and the logo, I don't know if you can see. And then yeah, so pretty much the difference is like there's no there's no home button anymore, so you kind of just like swipe up. And yeah, so pretty much the white stuff, like this one right here, it's like gone, plus the home button. So you can, all you get is like the whole like screen. So already set up like the face ID and everything. And yeah, so that's the phone right there, and I got my apps. It's already, and then once I open this, like once I turn it on, it's gonna like sync my to my iPhone 6s Plus. So all my apps is already in here and everything, and and that's actually good. So it kind of like saves time for me to keep downloading all the app that was on my old phone. So like the messages, so I just have to like swipe up and then kind of like hold it down, and if you want to get rid of that. So yeah, that is basically it. And yeah, that is it for this iPhone unboxing. Yeah, so I got this, like I said, I will probably put it in this description box, like how much the price, how much that I pay for this phone. And what is it? I'm really not a tech person, whatever it is. Like, yeah, I'm just here for the camera. That's just it. So yeah, and the camera, guys, it's really, 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 really good. And yeah, and I can't wait. So I actually by the way, guys, if you purchase like the iPhone, like the glass, like the iPhone 10s Max, make sure you also purchase a tempered glass protector for your phone. I got this on Amazon. So I got the tempered glass the screen protector, and I believe I paid $20 for two. It's like two for two. Okay, and I also got the cover. So right here, it's also like kind of like a glass, and it's like matte on the side. So I really like that. I have to clean this because it's really dusty. So clean that. So yeah, that is it for this like little unboxing, since the unboxing that I was filming was kind of like a fail. So yeah, but that is it for this unboxing, and I really like my new phone right now because it's like they do have like the 16 gigabytes, 256, and like the 512 gigabytes. So it's like for 16 it's different type, I mean it's different price. 16, 256, and the 512. So I will probably put it in the screen somewhere in between, so you guys, if you want to buy or something, or if you're interested in buying the iPhone XX Max. So that is it for this haul, and yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and make sure to give it a thumbs up, and yeah, bye.